Hi. Good morning. Every superhero trains. They don't just wake up powerful, they practice. So today we're gonna practice. All right.
So my favorite part was probably when we were doing the comics and Would You Rather.
We learn a little bit more about each other and how to be a superhero.
So it was so fun. I really enjoyed it. It was full of energy.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Oh, maybe the Would You Rather and the glow in the dark one.
Oh, the would you rather, okay. What do you like about it?
Best 3 hours of my life.
Best 3 hours of your life.
Oh my god.
Superhero training.